Hey guys, we are at Buc-Ees in Daytona. They just opened up a new car wash. It's one of the longest car washes in the world. Let's go in and check it out, see what it's all about. I want to see what all they do. All right, let's go through here and see what it's all about. All right, here we are. Let's go through, see what it's all about. It's the world's longest car wash is what they claim. This was $17. And I'm going to keep the camera rolling so you guys can see. A lot of foam here in the beginning. Oh, that's nice. Little Buc-Ees emblem. I like that. So they got kind of like a pre-soak going on. Of course, they got to add the color effects too, you know. Make it look like they're doing something. So here's the first brush here. Here's the first scrub. It looks like there's about maybe 3 scrub downs. Or 4. Good grief. Here's another soak. I'll try to keep the window kind of clean so you guys can kind of see. Some side scrubs. They got a lower and an upper. There's another rinse. Another scrub. See, it says hot wax coming up. So I did get the works. See what it's about. That's hot wax coming. And then another scrub. I'm gonna let this one soak a little bit. I'll let it scrub it in. That was the wax. Here's another side scrub, a couple of them. It's quite impressive. I mean, there better not be no dirt on this vehicle. And I can't really tell what that is. It looks like maybe okay, it's another scrub that came down for the roof. Here's the rinse. Powerful rinse. You guys can hear it. And this is another rinse, and probably a spot-free rinse. Then you got the blowers coming. Another rinse. Yep, now here's the blowers. 3 big blowers on each side. As you can see, kind of staggered. And then I did get the tire shine, so they have the tire shine rollers down there. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's pretty decent. Yeah, quite impressive. And they have free vacuums over here too. Well, that was it. Just a short intro. It's about 4 minutes and 30 seconds, maybe a little bit longer. That's what it took. Quite impressive. So they do have the mat holder vacuums. The vacuums are nice and clean. And they also have air to blow dust out, which is nice. I like that. There's the air for you. And trash. And here's kind of a look at everything. It's early in the morning, and then there's the blowers. They're still blowing for some reason. But yeah, quite a big parking lot. Plenty of room to detail your car. So yeah, you guys need to come down and check it out.